Yes, sir.
We were doing the formation of image by concave mirror. Last class I had done the case one. First case I did. Now today we are doing the second case. When the object is beyond C. Under this case, what will happen? What will be the nature of the image? And all will check. Second case is when the object is beyond C. Let us draw a diagram. To draw a diagram, first I will choose a line. This line you should choose over a ruled line. Overwrite it. On a ruling line, overwrite with a pencil. And at the end, I will draw a mirror here. Curved mirror I will make like this. And here I will mark P. This end, this point I mark as P. 2 centimeter I will mark F. Further 2 centimeter I will mark C. From here to here 2 centimeter and another 2 centimeter using ruler, measure it and mark exactly. You can take the distance equally you have to take. This distance must be the same. Instead of taking 2 centimeter, you can take 3 centimeter also. 3 centimeter and further 3 centimeter. But 2 centimeter is good enough, standard one. So you take 2 centimeter and further 2 centimeters here. Now, according to the situation of the case, where is the object? Object is beyond C. Beyond C means behind C, anywhere behind C. We can keep the object anywhere. This side, behind C, anywhere. This time I draw the object. Let us take the height of the object equal to 2 lines. Exactly touching the second line. First line, second line. The tip should be touching the second line. And on the top part, we'll mark an arrow. We'll show an arrow right on top of this object. AB is the object. What is the height of the object? What is the height of the object? Exactly equal to the second line. Above this one line and one more line will take. You can take one line also, but one line will be too short. Take 2 lines, minimum 2 lines. 1 and 2 lines. Done. Are you following it, boys? Please do it together with me, okay? Use ruler, pencil and all and do it together. First
Yes,
way, one line will draw parallel to this one. We draw a line like this. Draw a line like this. Draw a straight line using ruler like this. Draw.
Sorry, your voice is cracking.
So you're stuck.
I think sorry stuck.
What will happen to this is the way parallel to the principal axis? What will happen to it? After deflection from the mirror, it will pass through F. So draw a line passing through F like this. Passing through F. Draw a line passing through F using ruler. First rule we followed. Done?
You're done.
Okay. Second ray, we must take minimum 2 rays to form image. How to take the second ray from the object, from this tip of the object, how to take the second ray? From here, the second ray, we can take it this way. We can take it through F and it will become parallel. That is the second rule we can apply, or we can take it through C and it should return back in the same direction. That way also you can take. I'll take it through F like this. And this will become parallel like this. This will become parallel. This ray will become parallel like this. Rays are coming like this, passing through F and is becoming parallel. Have you done it? Yes. Where the 2 rays after deflection, this is the ray, this is the ray. After deflection, they are meeting here. Here is the image formed. So draw the image here. Image, you draw it here. Name the image as A dash, B dash. From the point B, the ray is coming here. The point B will be seen here, and point A will be seen here. That's why the image will be upside down, inverted image. Image will be inverted with respect to the object. Name of the image I'll give as A on top dash, B on top dash. A dash, B dash. We call it prime also. A prime, B prime. This is the image. Have you done it? Boys, have you done it?
No, sir, sorry, little bit.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then you write characteristics. Now you write here. Here you write characteristics. Write characteristics. Characteristics. Number 1. Characteristics number 1. First you have to write where is the image forming. You can check the diagram and tell me where is the image forming. Where is the image formed? See and tell me where is the image formed. This image is formed where? Boys, share, no, respond. Where is the image forming? Image is forming between F and C, between F and C. Between focus and
Yes, sir.
center of curvature, anywhere in between. Write on that one. First point you write this. Formed. Formed between F and C. F and C. Focus and center of curvature. Number 2, what type of image is this? You can check the image. Image is inverted or upright. Upright means erect. It is inverted or upside down as compared to the object. Here we will be writing inverted image will be real. So write on second point real. And the rays are really emitting, no, really actually emitting here. There is no dotted line used. Third point you write inverted. Real image will be always inverted. Write on inverted. And the fourth point you write, check the size of the image. The diagram which you have drawn, please see the size. Size of the image and size of the object. The image size is smaller or bigger or same size. What is it? Tell me, what is the size of the image as you are getting? In the diagram which you have drawn, what type of size? Is the size of the object smaller, bigger or same size? What type of size is coming here? Check.
Sir, smaller.
What size do you get? Smaller. That means you can add diminished. This is 2 lines. This will come anything but lesser than 2 lines. Smaller than 2 lines will come. Anything but smaller. Fourth point you can add here diminished. Diminished. Diminished means smaller. Diminished. So these are the characteristics of the image or the nature of the image. Where is the image forming? First we mentioned about that. Image is formed between F and C. Real, inverted, diminished. It is diminished but not highly diminished like a point. First case the image was highly diminished, but now it is just diminished, just smaller, but not very small. Okay? Done? Finish, boys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now write down case 3. Third case. When the object is at C, now the object is at C. When the object is at C, exactly at the center of curvature now. We check what happens there in that case and what are the characteristics of the image. Image is at, object is at C now. So draw a diagram once again. For that, again I will be drawing a line here first. Mark 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, same thing you do here. As you are done in the first case, second case, do the same thing clear. And after that, I'll tell you what you have to do. Do the same thing now, again, once again. Draw a line, overwrite it, overwrite over the rule line. Whatever rule line you have in your page. So there only you overwrite with the pencil. And at the end, mark P 2 centimeters. Further 2 centimeters you mark using ruler. 2 centimeters you will mark. P to F is 2
Sure, done.
centimeter and F to C also 2 centimeter. Yeah. Done. Where is the object now? As per the question, as per the condition, the object is at C. Where is C? C is over here. Here only we draw, keep the object here. Take the height of the object equal to 2 lines. Here write A, B. Height of the object I'll take exactly equal to the 2 lines. Have you taken equal to 2 lines? Yes, tell me if you have done till here, then I'll proceed.
Sir.
Okay. What should I do now? I must draw a line like this, parallel. First line you always draw parallel to the principal axis. What will happen to this way? Incident ray, what will happen to this way? Tell no?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
it
This
will
here,
be
one of you.
reflected.
It will pass through.
Sir,
After
focus.
reflection, it will pass through focus. Yes. Focus. Good. Now we should take the second ray. How will we take the second ray? Tell me. How should we take the second ray? Say, second ray, we will take it through which point? Tell me. You will get idea. Please tell me. Share. Second ray, where should I take from? Boys, please do share. Do respond even if it is wrong, sir. There is no problem. Okay. I'll correct it. Where should I take the second ray from? Give me some idea. How to draw the second ray? Can you hear me, boys?
Sir, downwards of the sir. C.
Second ray you should take through which point? Tell me.
B.
Through F. Second point through F you will take. And it will become parallel. So what you can do from here, you can take this. And this will become parallel like this. If the size of the mirror is small, you can make it bigger. Slightly bigger, you can make it. And the two rays will be meeting here. Here is the image formed. The image will be formed here. A dash B dash. Image will be forming at C only. There only the image will form. Where the object is, the image will be formed there only. Please check. If you have taken exact measurement here, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and you are using ruler and all, no, your image will be forming there only. The image will form there only. Please do check and let me know whether you are getting at the same point. It can be slightly here and there, slightly here and there. And size will be equal, size will be the same. This is 2 lines, this also will be 2 lines, exactly 2 lines. Please draw and let me know.
Sir, done.
Are you getting it? Are you
Yes,
getting
sir,
the image formed at C?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you write down characteristics formed. Where is the image formed? Right here, formed at C. First point. Image is formed at C. The first point you are writing. It is upside down, so real image, no dotted line, inverted. And here you write same size. Same size as the object. Same size as the object. Size is same. Size is equal. This is 2 lines. This is also 2 lines. 2 lines up, 2 lines down will come. Exactly. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 3 cases we discussed so far. Case 1, what was it? The object was at infinity. Then that time the image is formed at F only, exactly at F. Now object is beyond C, the image is coming this side now. The image is formed between F and C. And now when the object is at C, the image is formed at C only, exactly at C. Third case. and same size is also same. When the object is far away, the size will be small. When the object is very, very far, that is infinity, size of the image is highly diminished, like a point. But when the object comes closer, but still beyond C, the size is diminished. But now it is of same size. Now, case 4. Case 4. Write down when the object is again, write down when the object is between C and F. Write down when the object is between F and C. Between F and C. This is the case 4. When the object is between F and C. Let us draw that case. When the object is between F and C. Do the same thing first, and then I'll tell you what you have to do. Do the same thing. Draw a line using one of the ruled lines only. Override. Mark one point P 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. That from here also should look like 2 centimeter. Or you are using ruler exactly measured 2 centimeter. Now, in this case, where is the object? Tell me, where is the object kept?
Sir, between F and C.
Between F and C, yes, between F and C. Draw the object anywhere in between, like this. Take the height of the object equal to 2 lines. AB is object. AB is object here. Height of the object is equal to 2 lines. Then this should come. One ray should come like this. Where will the ray pass through after reflection? This ray, first ray you always take parallel to the principal axis. Where will it pass through? Tell me.
Sir, through F.
Where does it pass through? Through F. Good. From here, this ray will pass into F. Straight line. Using ruler you draw. I am doing freehand, so line may not, because I am not using ruler, but you all use ruler like this. This is the incident reflected ray. Incident ray here, reflected ray here. Done. And in all the ray diagrams, so you must mark the arrow. Arrow marking is important. If you don't mark the arrows, you don't get marks. Remember. You must show how the incident ray is coming and how the reflected ray is going. Reflected ray and incident ray, you must show by arrow. All the rays are identified by arrow. You must know. Tell me how to take the second ray. Minimum 2 rays you must take. How to take the second ray? Tell me. How will you take the second ray? Boys, one of you. How can we take a second ray from the object, from the same point B? How can we take it second ray? Say,
Sir, through F.
through F. Through F. Second ray from here, I'll take it through F, and it will become parallel like this. Where are the 2 rays? This is the second ray coming like this. Second ray is coming like this and it's becoming parallel. Where are the 2 rays meeting? Here. Here is the image formed. Here is the image. Where the 2 rays meet after reflection, there only the image is formed. Here is the image formed. Where is the image formed? Image is formed beyond C, anywhere but behind C. Image will be formed beyond C now. Here we will be writing image formed beyond C. Characteristic write down here beyond C. Beyond C. It is a real image because the rays are really meeting. Inverted, and check the size of the image. Is the size of the image bigger, smaller, or same size? What is the size of the image?
Bigger.
Sir, big.
Bigger.
So same size.
Bigger means bigger. No, it will become bigger. When the object is at C, then the image is also at C at same size. Only in that case the image will be of same size. But here in this case the image will be bigger. Bigger means we can add the word here enlarged, or we can add the word magnified. You can use the word enlarged, or you can add here magnified. 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 Magnified we can write, or we can write here enlarged. ENLARGD. Enlarged. Enlarged means bigger. Done. Have you understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, boys. Okay. Case 4 we are done. Now we'll do case 5. That when the object is at F, when the object is at F, 5 you write down, give the heading, when the object is at, slowly we are bringing the object closer to the mirror. We are bringing them closer to the mirror. And the size of the image will keep on increasing. First the image was diminished. Beyond C also it was diminished. At C same size, and after C the size will be bigger now. And the reverse is always true. When the object was beyond C, the image was between F and C. Now the object is between F and C, then the image is beyond C, behind C. And the image will be bigger. First case, when the object was beyond C, the image was diminished, but now the image is bigger. I mean, just a reverse. Reverse is always true in life. So now the next case you have given, case number 5, when the object is at F. When the object is at F, at the focus, again we draw the, first we draw the same thing on their line, 2 centimeters, as we have done before also, same thing we do. Marking F, one more, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, mark to C. Okay? Done.
Yes, sir.
Where should you keep the object now? Where should you keep the object? You should keep the object at F, exactly at F. Where? Take the height of the object equal to 2 lines, AB. What should we do now? First way we are taking parallel to the principal axis. First way we are taking a parallel. This ray will pass through F, passing through F. Draw it. First ray parallel to the principal axis is passing through F. Done?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Tell me
sir.
if you have done it. How to take the second ray now? Tell me second ray, how would you take?
We have to,
How
sir,
will you
take
take
the
it?
secondary passing through, sir, F.
If the second ray passing through F, you take, no, it will not strike the mirror. Will it strike the mirror? Ray passing through F from the object, from the B like this, it will go like this. It will not
No,
pass
Sir,
through the
from
mirror.
C. Sir,
Don't
C.
take it that way. Take it through C. That means the size of the mirror you can slightly increase here. You can increase the size slightly. If the size is not sufficient, you increase it. Keep ruler between this point and this point. Keep the ruler between this point and this point. Keep the ruler here between them. And join it like this way. Any ray passing through C will return back in the same direction. The ray passing through C after reflection from
Yes,
the mirror
sir.
returns back here, returning back. Returning back in the same direction. These two rays will not meet because the two rays will be parallel, and the parallel rays always meet at
Yes, sir.
infinity. That is very, very simple. Here we are writing infinity. Or you may not write
So means
anything.
it will not be, no, sir.
Yes, I didn't get you, huh?
Sir, means the both they will not meet.
They will not meet here. The lines are parallel, no, so they will never meet. Parallel rays always meet at infinity. We don't know the point where they are going to meet. That's why we call it they are meeting at infinity. The two rays will be exactly parallel. Okay, have you drawn it? If your size of the mirror is not sufficient to receive this rays, you can increase the size. You can increase the size a little bit. And you can write the correction formed at infinity. Formed at infinity. Now, real, inverted, and here you write highly magnified. Anything at infinity is very big. So we will be writing here highly magnified, very large. Highly magnified we can write, or extremely enlarged we can write that. Let us write highly magnified. Infinity thing is that very big. We like that. Okay. Reverse is always true. When the object is at its first case, when the object was at infinity, the image was at f. But now the object is at f, the image is at infinity. Reverse is always true. When the object is at infinity, the image is at f and highly diminished. But now the image is highly magnified. Highly magnified, very big. The reverse is always true. Size also will be reversing. In the first case, the size is diminished. Now the size is enlarged or magnified. Done?
Yes, sir.
Have you done it, boys? Now we have one more case, the last case. You can write that case number 6. When the object is between F and P, between these two, that is very, very close to the mirror. Now write when the object is between F and P. When the object is between F and P. Let us see now what happens here in this case. When the object is between F and P. Our method of drawing the diagram is same. One line, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters. Do it first, the same what we have been doing so far. Do till that much, then I'll proceed with the position of the object. Okay. Where is the object now? Object is between F and P. So we'll keep the object anywhere in between them. Here we'll keep. Take the object height equal to 2 centimeters. I mean 2 lines AB I have taken here. E and B point. How we draw? First way we are taking parallel to the place. It will pass through F like this. It is passing through F here. First way. Now tell me, how do we take the second way? Second way, how should we take? Can we take it through F? If I take it through F, it will not pass through the mirror. I'll take it through C again. This point and this point, I'll take ruler between these 2 points. Draw a line like this way. This way will be scratching the mirror and return back. Do you think these 2 rays are parallel? Are the 2 rays parallel? Answer is no. They will not meet this side, but they will meet in the back side by dotted line, imaginary line. Put dotted line back, dotted line backward. Put the dotted line backward and extend this principal axis the other side. Extend it. Here is the image form. The image is also by dotted virtual image like this. Because the rays are not actually meeting, but they are meeting they are appearing to meet by dotted line, imaginary lines. Here also we will be drawing the dotted line. Dotted line will be drawn. Dotted line like this. Image is virtual here. Name of the object is A dash B dash. A dash B dash is the name of the object. A dash B dash. Have you understood, boys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you write the characteristics, write down where is the image formed. We say formed behind the mirror. Formed behind the mirror. We write that one first. In this case, the image is formed behind the mirror, not in front of the mirror, but behind the mirror. The image is virtual. Dotted line is with imaginary line, so write here virtual. Virtual. And case 3, you write erect or upright. Erect or upright. And the fourth point you write magnified. The size of the image is bigger. Write on magnified. Magnified. Size of the image is magnified. Okay?
Sorry.
Just write use of this case, use of the first case and the last case only you have to know. Write use. This action of concave mirror is used. This action of concave mirror is used. This action of concave mirror is used in shaving mirror. In shaving mirror, they bring the mirror very close and anything left over is still magnified there. Shaving mirror, comma, cosmetic mirror, cosmetic means makeup mirror, makeup. Actresses and all, or the artists and all, they do makeup using a mirror, a special kind of mirror. This mirror only they use, and they keep the mirror very close to the face and all. Okay, and they see any minor thing also they will be able to see in an enlarged form here, like this. Image is formed behind the mirror, and they see that image directly. So this action of concave mirror is used in shaving mirror, comma, cosmetic mirrors, cosmetic. Okay. So we have discussed all the cases of concave mirror. Next class I will discuss about the formation of image by a convex mirror. Now next class will be convex mirror. In convex mirror we have got only 2 cases. Here we had 6 cases, but there we will have only 2 cases. Okay, this much we do today. Okay, thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.